Welcome to Math 130, Applied Algebra and Trigonometry. I'm Professor Rose. Well, this is what it looks like outside my house right now. So this is a good time to be teaching and studying remotely. But by the end of the semester, it should look like this. So I'm just going to pretend. Now, I'm not here to impress you, and you're not here to impress me. This is a math class. That means there will be errors made by all of us. We'll be working together to respectfully correct each other's mistakes. So have your calculators ready, because I'll ask you to correct the math I do in my head if needed, and sometimes I will wait for you to find an answer. Actually, I'll wait for at least two of you. It's really easy to hit the wrong button when using a calculator or to make a simple sign error. So we'll all wait for two people to confirm an answer before we move on. And this course flips the classroom. Instead of waiting for me to present something and then you going to study and practice it, you will have the responsibility of reading the e-text, watching videos, trying a couple of homework problems, and making a list of questions to ask when we meet online to discuss the section you just studied. Ask questions. If you didn't understand what I was trying to say on a video, it's a pretty good chance that somebody else did not understand it either. So, ask a question so we can work out any problems together and find the exact point at which the disconnect occurred. If you don't get a sufficient answer during class, send an email. Meet me online during student hours. Visit the Math Lab chat. Send a text. Get an answer. And if you have an answer or a suggestion of another way to do a problem, share it. Now, if any of you play a sport, make music, dance, serve on an emergency squad, or act in a company, you know that it takes practice to become good in your field. Math takes practice and effort, lots of practice and effort. Challenge your brain the way you challenge your muscles, your lungs, your fingers, your voice. This is a 4-credit class. Now that means that you should spend at least 10 hours each week in participating, reading, watching, studying, doing homework for class. And this is an applied class. You will be learning concepts that are used in engineering technologies. And you'll get some practice applying those concepts to real-world situations. And for this class, you will need the TI-89 or the TI-89 titanium calculator. Okay, the TI-84 will not do. I will be showing you how to use many of the features, and I will expect you to know how to use it to check your by-hand calculations, to graph functions and interpret those functions, and to perform more complicated computations using algebra, trigonometry, and logarithms. Now, this online format is not what I prefer, but we're stuck here this semester. Now, I promise you, if you're waiting for me to entertain you for half an hour to an hour, it's not happening. So let's try to make this as interactive as possible. I look forward to getting to know you. See you in class.